Although being in isolation in France, Jamaican basketball star Samardo Samuels says he's far from anxious during the coronavirus pandemic. The former NBA center also made sure that his hometown of Falmouth Trelawny is taken care of. More from Daniel Blake.
After ending his season in Greece, Samardo Samuels was getting ready to dominate the new season of the French League. However, after a few weeks of training and playing one game, COVID-19 brought the season to a halt. And while many overseas Jamaican athletes have been anxious to return home, Samuels is comfortable in France.
So I'm kind of enjoying it because I don't really get too much time to sit down and really get to catch up with people. And this is a great time now that everybody's home. It's good to, catch up with friends like I haven't catch up with in a long time. And, to get a good laugh and, just to see the reflection on the journey and everything. So I'm using this time well. I'm not so much panicking so much.
France has been in lockdown since March 19, and the former NBA player described what things are like.
It's super quiet here. Nobody's on the street, and in order to go on the street, you have to have a permission, a letter. You can walk your dog, and if not, you can get a permission to go to the supermarket. In the supermarket, you have a certain number of people that can be inside. So it's a little bit of adjustment, but I'm getting through it.
The former Mushatai student understood the financial crisis that the pandemic has caused, so he decided to give back to his native parish of Trelawny by donating over $1 million worth of food supplies.
I couldn't help but think about the people back home that how are they going to manage, and maybe they wasn't prepared, and I couldn't get over the fact that I needed to do something. I would love to help the whole island, but for me, I'm not in a position. But I love helping the parish, just to do a little bit. I felt like the people needed it, and it was the right timing, and hopefully, I was going to encourage more people to do the same.
Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.